The first worksheet in this Tableau assignment discusses the demographics of the company. I started it by sectioning it off by department. So the three departments of the company were human resources, research and development, and then sales. And then from there, I split it into the job roles within each department. As you can see, human resources is split between human resources manager, research and development, and the various job roles underneath, and then sales and the three that follow. And then from that point on, I went even further and split each job role based off gender, so we can see the number of females to males filling each job role. And it's obvious that there tends to be more males per job role than there are females. In the second worksheet, we looked at gender and the relationship between their work-life balance and their performance rating. So the top chart, you can see the female, bottom chart, you can see male, and how their work-life balance affects their performance rating. And as you can see, the numbers for men are slightly higher than women when it comes to performance rating. And then in worksheet 3, we are looking at the relationship between attrition and years with current manager. And at the beginning, basically until you get to 7 years with the current manager, it's very up and down, dramatic decrease after 2 years with a manager in attrition. And then it spikes back up at year 7, but then following 7 years, being with a current manager for 7 years, there's a steady decrease in the count of attrition. And then the last worksheet is the relationship between attrition and the number of companies worked with. And like the beginning, the last worksheet, the number of companies worked with spikes at the beginning with the attrition, and then after 3 companies worked with, there's a steady decrease in attrition counts. And then to finalize the project is the dashboard, which you can interact with each. So at the top we have the company demographics, where you can scroll down and see based off department, job role, and gender. And then how we have our work life and performance chart here. And then in the bottom corner we have the relationship with managers, with years with current manager, and right underneath that, attrition and number of companies worked with.